From aerospace to automotive and beyond, companies are pushing the boundaries of performance, efficiency, and sustainability. To meet these demands, Siemens and Microsoft are transforming manufacturing processes.
With Siemens software, Microsoft Azure Cloud, and AI services, manufacturers can automate and optimize every step of production. For example, the Copilot in Siemens NXX manufacturing software automates programming workflows, reducing programming time by up to 80%, while leveraging best practices and insights to optimize production.
This process has been used across aerospace, automotive, and industrial applications, ensuring next-generation products meet the highest standards of performance and safety. For example, Microsoft Technologies can help companies like Rolls-Royce with the toolchain from the Siemens Xcelerator portfolio. That includes integrated AI-driven software solutions, including Teamcenter and NX, which can be used to develop next-generation jet engines. Click to learn more.